Hello, everyone. This is Lucky Aguirre. I am a loan originator with Cardinal Financial. I do mortgage, and I've been trying to do some videos. Part of it is my own goal of getting more comfortable, feeling more comfortable in front of a camera and trying to share a message. I am trying to learn different subjects, and as I learn more of them, I wanted to share it. Very simple. Very simple. It's a lot of the information that I'm bringing right now. It's not that I saying it. I'm looking for sources. Cardinal Financial had some blogs in my website, cardinalfinancial.com/Lucky Aguirre. You can apply for a loan online, but also you can read about our products and different information. A lot of information, a lot of times, or a lot of information that people look for is about credit scored, the credit history, what credit I need, or how my credit needs to be for me to normally ask, for them to qualify for a loan. And there's a really good blog talking about common credit, the challenge that the credit can have, right? And how that score comes is created, how it comes along, how those numbers are calculated, right? And so, of course, in your credit history, they look at the payment history. This algorithm, these are numbers. It's a system, right? And it's payment history. How have you paid prior accounts? Amount that you owe. So what are the balance that you have in some of the accounts? What is the length, or how old is your credit? Like when you started the credit, and then look at those open accounts, the active accounts. Like how old are they, right? The ones that are active. And then the credit mix. What type of account you have on your credit? So, on the credit, what is reported is like personal loans, bank loans, card loans, credit cards, personal loans I mentioned, and then of course the mortgage, if you have any history on the mortgage. So that credit mix, what is in your credit? So I guess, a credit mix is, so based on that mix, based on the health of your credit, the payment history, what are the balance, in the balance also what credit you have available is very important. And then, of course, new credit. So you might have old accounts, you might have new accounts, and then that's how, it can consist. You can check your credit once a year. So that way it's very important that there's many companies, and I know many people that talk to me and they say, yeah, so my credit is a Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, Credit Wise. There's a lot of different websites, right? And a lot of the credit cards also providing for you, a lot of the banks too, providing you with the credit account, credit score, and they do that for free. But also you can request your credit. Make sure that you look at your credit, not only at the accounts, look at what information they have, your name, that is correct, personal information, address. Make sure you look at, your employer. You've been working 10 years with a company and that company is not even in your credit. It might be a good idea for you to change it. All the credit reports will have which one of the agencies are. You can reach out to them. You can write to them, to update that information. Make sure you look for accounts if they're duplicate. And there's no account that somebody open an account in your name, right? And so make sure you make payments on time. This is the recommendations. Try to limit the hard inquiry. If you're trying to buy a home, and this is more like a lot of people, first-time home buyers or individuals that they bought a home a long time ago, now they're trying maybe to buy a second home, and they haven't even had the need to request for credit. And so it's very important that, you know, look at your credit report. I have Roy with me. He was harassing me to get him. So this is Roy. And you'll see him in some of my ads or videos that I post of him. And so he wanted to be in the video. So okay, so make sure again, verify the information in the credit. I'm not an expert in credit, but I have like many credit reports. So make sure that information in your credit reports are correct, and limit the inquiries. So do not apply for a loan if you're trying to buy your first time home or your second home. Maybe it has been many, many, many years, and you're looking to purchase a home. So limit to apply for other loans if you're trying to get another mortgage or your first mortgage. The credit score, there's many programs. What is low? What is a good credit? Everywhere, consumer credit, what is a credit card? And the credit with a bank, we're a mortgage lender. It varies, right? So you can obtain a loan with, for example, FHA for a 580 credit score. There's sometimes we can do 550. Of course, the lower the credit score, it might require a higher down payment, even if it's your first time home. So the better health your credit score and the credit history, the better for the transaction overall. There are some VA loan also. If you're a veteran, if you have any questions about any of the programs, you can call me and ask me. My number is 561-454-8444 for VA loans. It was the next loan that I was going to mention, also with 580 or up or higher. And there's also, we have a USDA programs. Those are rural areas. I don't think, I was trying to find out what area is still in Florida. But there's other states that do have the rural area that you can apply for USDA loans. And we can help with that as well. I believe that everything is possible. Credit can be restored, credit can be improved. So it's like everything else, right? I am trying to learn and be a better mortgage lender and be a better business person and provide better customer service to my clients, and learning more about marketing and how I can be in front of people so they can let me be their mortgage lender. Everything is possible. We can all learn and be better. If there's something you want to change in your credit, it can happen. You have to make the decision, right? And make the changes or pay attention to all the information. If you have any question about mortgage, the process to buy a home, or the credit, we can discuss the credit, and we can try to help you to get you ready to buy a home. If you're not going to do it now, if you're going to do it later in some months, I'm here to help. Again, this is Lucky Aguirre, your mortgage lender. You can contact me at Lucky Aguirre, lucky.aguirre@cardinalfinancial.com. You can call me 561-454-8444. You can go to my website. You can go to homeloanwithlucky.com and you can see all the information. Is a website, the Cardinal has all the information, resources. You can apply online. You can apply from your phone, and I will be happy to help you. Thank you so much, and have an amazing day. Ciao. See you soon.